Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing a simple living room makeover on a budget. I'm gonna share with you guys how I transformed our living room using new textiles and some new accessories. You don't have to spend a ton of money and go over budget on buying everything brand new. You can use simple things and what you have around your house, but also do a lot of DIYs, which we have a ton of DIYs on my channel, so be sure to check those out. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you don't already follow me, be sure to check me out on Instagram at Valerie Aguiar. So our living room is our most used space in our house, so it gets a ton of use. We're always in here, which is kind of why I change it up a lot, because I get tired of the same space all the time, so I'm constantly changing this room up. Just coming off of the holidays, everything is put away, and this room is really kind of a blank slate. I feel by having a lot of neutral colors, we have white walls, very light couches, and a wood coffee table, it kind of sets a very blank slate for us to really do anything in here. So the first thing I like to do to kind of reinvent a space is a new rug, and this one is a Laloy rug. I found this one on Amazon. This rug is called the Layla Taupe in Stone color, and it pulls a lot of blue, but there is brown in there, so I feel like it's not overpowering, too cool, because you can go in and warm it up with some of the browns that are in there. These rugs are actually printed rugs, but the quality I feel like is really good for the price. And we have a little trick or hack because our rugs get so dirty with kids and pets and all of that. So we do wash our rugs. If you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know in the comments below. With rugs, the rule of thumb is at least 2 of your legs on your couch or sofa should be on top of your rug, and that really anchors your space and centers your space. It kind of defines that area that your rug is going to be in. If you guys have been here, you know that I am such a fan of pillow covers. I am constantly buying pillow covers. I feel like it's an affordable way to spruce up your space. Once you buy the inserts, you just kind of keep switching out your pillow covers to update things, and I feel like it's an affordable way to update your space. And don't let my poker face fool you. I was so excited to get these. I ordered these online from Target. These are from the Studio McGee line. I will link them, but I could not find them in the store, so I had to order online, and I was really excited to open these up. I feel like changing your pillows or pillow covers can really change the look of a room. If you want to change your colors, it's a really good way to start. I'm really loving all of these woven fabrics and the pretty patterns. These colors are the really creamy kind of oatmeal-y color in the back. I love this little pattern. This is a threshold pillow from Target, and then that brown Studio McGee one, and then this blue one up front is from Amazon, and I will link all of those below. This long lumbar was in my shop with me. It's also from the Studio McGee collection, and this little brass basket is from Mud Pie, although I found it at Tuesday morning and I could not leave it. It was the last one, and I just thought it was the most adorable little basket, so I had to take that. And then I found that little marble frame too, but I thought these were really fun to bring into the living room too. So usually by the fireplace we have firewood or blankets. I always put something by the fireplace. In this case, I put this little basket and rolled up some blankets, and then I did get an extra little pillow that I threw in there that didn't come until after I shot this, but it'll be in the after shot later, but it was a really pretty pillow as well. Another quick way to update your space is to add some new art or fresh art, and I actually DIY'd these. If you didn't catch that video, I will link it. There's so many ways that you can do very simple basic art. When I do a living room refresh, I also like to refresh our entry console and kind of switch things up. I do have some very basic things that we always keep there. I love my pictures right in the entryway, so I'll usually just change up the bottom and a couple things on the top. You guys, I just scored these 2 pieces. Got those for 50 cents a piece from a yard sale. This basket was a yard sale find, and it was 50 cents. I was pretty excited about that. That was from Instagram. The boucle type pillow is from Amazon, and then that little blanket was a Tuesday morning find as well. I will try to link that for you guys if I can find it. I would have liked to have put another basket, but since that was kind of a solo find, I'm just gonna put these pillows and stack them. One of these is, actually both of those are from Amazon, but I'm really loving the browns and those creamy colors together. It kind of really warms up our space. This lamp was another DIY that I did on my channel, the black and the brown together, really fitting into this space, so I wanted to bring this back out. I usually always have a stack of books up here, so I'm just gonna add this little candle. So a lot of you may know, one of my favorite ways to decorate my home is to bring the outdoors in. So I'm always bringing like branches, olive branches, some sort of florals, something into the house that will liven up the space and bring that outdoorsy type feeling indoors. Olives. Walking back home. I put fresh olive branches on the coffee table this time, and I'm just filling up a vase with some water to give them a couple more days of extra life. So I'm adding this vase into my DIY planter. You guys can check that video out here if you haven't seen that one yet. But I love this big planter on the coffee table. It really makes a statement. Also, I am adding some of my favorite coffee table books and a candle right up top. These books are so good, so much knowledge, and so pretty as well. This bowl is one of the new pieces from Studio McGee that I got, and I am in love with it. It's so versatile, and you can really put anything in it almost on display. It is just so, so good. So I am putting my concrete beads that I DIY'd. I can link that video for you guys as well, but I really like the grays and that bluish color. It kind of ties in with the rug. And then these are Palo Santo smudge sticks. If you have not tried these, I'll link them. They're from Amazon. They smell so good. Without even lighting them, I feel like it just is almost like potpourri for your house. It has like that minty, woodsy smell, and they're just really, really fun. So one thing that we've been meaning to get around to that we have not yet is replacing our entry light. And this is, I believe, came with the house when the house was built. So it's a little 90s, definitely needs to be replaced. So we found this light, surprisingly, on Amazon. And it was pretty good quality. It was here really fast, and I feel like it was a good price point. So we went ahead and hung that and updated our light. So if you guys remember the before, it was very, very blank. There was not anything going on once we had put Christmas away. So it definitely needed a little facelift and a little refreshing. I feel like adding a new rug, some new textiles and accessories, and even DIYing some projects, we were able to achieve what we wanted. This space feels a lot more cozy and homey, which is totally our vibe since we are kind of homebodies, especially right now, and we're really happy and enjoying this space. I feel like this rug was a perfect fit for our space. I love this rug with all of these wood tones and all of the greenery. I feel like it just all kind of goes together really well. I hope this video has inspired or helped you guys in any way. We're so appreciative of you, and we thank you so much for watching and being here with us. And with that, we will catch you next time. Thanks for watching.